This week, I have a short bonus video for you guys, but it's more of an announcement. For years now, I've been frustrated with how few of the silent Our Gang shorts are available in good quality, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Most of the 1920 shorts that have been released in good quality are from the early talkie era, 1929, and copies of the earlier shorts often looked like this. I know that there are a lot of Our Gang fans who follow this channel, so I have some exciting news for you. For a while, I've been checking up on a company called Classic Flicks because they're getting ready to release Volume 1 of fully restored Our Gang shorts from the early era of the series, including the very first one. And let me say, I am hyped. If you want to know what to expect, you can check out their YouTube channel, where they've released clips of some of their restored footage and also one full short. I won't show them here because I really want their uploads to get the extra views, but I will say, they look amazing. All of the footage I'm using in this video is from older releases. I wanted to let everyone know here because the announcements are kind of buried for some reason, and only smaller outlets have covered it. And they say that they want to release at least 2 more volumes if Volume 1 sells well, so that's another reason why I want to tell everyone. I really want to get all the shorts they can release, as I'm sure other fans do too. Volume 1 will be released on November 19th, so mark your calendars, everyone. I know that most people only know The Little Rascals, which is the same series under a different name. And on my old video about Our Gang, there were a lot of people saying, "Where's Alfalfa? Where's Buckwheat? Where's Spanky?" Of course, they're from the later era of The Little Rascals that gets most of the attention. Some know Alan Hoskins, aka Farina, and some others because they were in some of the early Sound shorts. But the earlier Our Gang shorts deserve at least the same attention as the more popular ones. And they only get less attention partly because they're silent, but more importantly because they haven't been released in any really complete form in a very long time. Hopefully, these releases will give performers like Ernie Morrison, Jackie Condon, Mary Kornman, Mickey Daniels, and Joe Cobb the level of recognition that they used to get long ago. And I just want to say that I'm not at all affiliated with this project, I'm just really excited about it. And if I can watch all the surviving Our Gang shorts, I hope to make a better video about the series. Well, that's all for this short little video, but stay tuned for more tales from the Jazz Age.